This looks like a normal iPhone photo, but when I tilt my phone, it suddenly comes alive. This quick video will show you how to turn any iPhone photo into a 3D image using a hidden Apple feature. We'll learn how to convert regular iPhone photos into 3D style images using Apple's Spatial Scene effect. And the best part is, we're not using any third-party apps, no subscriptions, no editing software, and no complicated steps. The only thing required from your part is to have an iPhone 12 or newer, because this won't work on an iPhone 11 or older iPhone models. But I suppose that you already have an iPhone 17, iPhone 16, and similar. Also, make sure that you're running iOS 26 or newer, because this spatial scene feature was introduced with iOS 26. Okay, now let's start by opening our photo gallery and then open a photo which you want to convert to 3D and make it come alive. This effect works great for photos of people, so those may be your family photos, your photos with friends, and they also work great with pet photos. And let's say I want this photo to come alive, and I want that 3D effect applied. All I have to do is to click on this little icon located at the top right corner of your photo. The iPhone will then analyze your photo for a second or two, and then it will turn it into a spatial photo. I'll then zoom in my photo for the maximum effect, and if I start tilting my phone from the left to the right side and from the top to the bottom, you'll see that the photo will come alive, and it will have a cool 3D effect. You can repeat this step with literally any photo on your iPhone, and it will convert into 3D or a spatial scene photo in a second. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy.